This is question number 9 on the November 2013 higher calculator paper. This question was one that a lot of people didn't answer properly or well. It was one, however, which was actually pretty straightforward. So let's actually look at it and make sure you do understand everything as we go through. It says the diagram shows a pattern using 4 identical rhombuses. So I'll put that there, rhombuses, and these shaded shapes are the rhombuses. Work out the size of the angle marked A. So there, you must show all your workings. Okay, so what we do know is that these 4 angles between the shapes are 25 degrees. And what I know as well is that the angle in a full turn is 360 degrees. So I could aim to work out each of those angles. They're all the same because all the shapes are exactly the same. They're rhombuses of the same size, and so their angles on the inside would be the same. So here is the method and the workings that I'm going to do to find or work my way towards working out A. There are 4 lots of 25, so 4 times 25 is 100. The angles in a full turn is 360 degrees, so full turn is equal to 360. So 360 take away 100 is going to give me 260. I don't need my calculator to do that. Now what is that 260? That 260 is the total of these 4 angles that I've put a dot in. So those 4 angles, they each are they each add up to 260 degrees. So I'm going to work out what they each are. I'm going to do 260 degrees divided by 4. 260 divided by 4 equals 65. So what that tells me is that angle there is 65, that's 65, that's 65, and that's 65. If I add up all the angles written there, the 65s and the 25s, they will add up to 360 degrees. Now in a rhombus, which is a special type of parallelogram, let me just write 65 here, opposite angles are equal. So if that's 65, that angle there is 65. And because angles in a 4-sided shape add up to 360, if that's A and also that's A from what I said before, I could actually use the fact that I know these two are 65 to help me work out A. So to work out what A is, I'm going to do 360, which are the angles in the 4 angles add up to 360, take away 65, take away 65. Let's see what that gives. 360, take away 65, take away 65 equals 230. That means these 2 angles here are going to add up to 230. So A is going to be 230 divided by 2. And again, I could go to my calculator and work that out. 230 divided by 2 equals 115. 115. So that is my answer. And you can see in terms of the working, we've actually gone through a series of steps and worked it out as we've gone along. I've used a diagram and put information on the diagram, and I've been able to get the overall result that A is equal to 215, and that's what I write in my answer space. A is equal to 115, and that's what I put in the answer space. This is really a straightforward question that not a lot of people got right. Make sure you can do it, make sure you have a detailed look at it, and make sure you fully understand it.